To err is human, but owning your mistakes is divine, especially since the human factor isn't going anywhere during the holidays. Just check out some of Santa's awkward moments. Kira loves Christmas, presents, and Santa. She also loves when things are actually real.
Ho, ho, ho! This is for you, little girl.
Looks like Kira's never heard of suspension of disbelief. Plus, this Santa's pretty clueless.
Huh?
Your beard, Santa. Your beard.
Man, I knew I should have used super glue. Run along now, little girl.
I love giving presents. Come in, girls. Have a seat. This one is for Natalie. And this one's for Ashley. Seriously, getting Christmas presents always feels great, no matter how small or simple they are. Not getting a present in return, though, doesn't feel very good at all. Especially not on Christmas. What's wrong with you girls? Rachel, feel free to wallow, and then go gift yourself some new friends. Hey, Santa. Delivered all your presents yet? I can tell by how full that sack is. The answer is no. You're right, though. All work and no play makes Santa a dull boy. Plus, when was the last time you did something nice for yourself? Go ahead and treat yourself. You deserve it. Working hard all night to bring all those good boys and girls their gifts is no joke.
Grape, my favorite.
Santa! Why aren't you moving? Are you robotic? One more turn? Aww. Thanks, Santa. Good save, Santa. Maybe your good karma will pay off and you'll get another grape one. I wonder if Natalie puts more weight on dressing herself up or the Christmas tree. Oops, looks like she missed a spot. Nat, you are not gonna get to the tip that way. Come on, girl. Be reasonable. Now that's just a painful accident waiting to happen. Seriously, Nat, you got a death wish? Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, careful! Well, now we know where Nat's true priorities lie. She can't stop, won't stop, till that tree's decked out. Oh, hey, Santa. Santa, you look kind of off. Mike, I think Santa hit his head one too many times.
Don't worry, kids. Just tell Saint Nick how to get in.
I say we make a run for it while we still can.
Coast looks clear. Did you know that walking backwards keeps bad luck from following you? That was just a tight squeeze. How was I supposed to get through with my giant sack? What in the ho-ho-ho is going on here?
Huh?
Santa, you didn't get the memo? Natalie's been on her best behavior for weeks.
Have you both been good? Let's see. Some lotion for you. No, that one's for Mike. But this one's for Kira. An honest-to-God saw. Put it to good use, little girl. Hey, let's trade. No trading. My trusty elves are never wrong.
Santa? Did Mrs. Klaus leave the eggnog out for too long again? Looks like Jess and Kira fell asleep while waiting up for St. Nick. Go ahead and treat yourself, Santa. Jess, we've got company. Santa, are you sure you should be eating sweets this late at night? Where'd he go? Even if we are still dreaming, I think we should eat these before our very real roommates get to them. That's probably a good plan, girls. Ugh, is there anyone out there that actually likes standing in line? Double for when you're trying to get presents. Ashley, though, is hell-bent on resorting to trickery to get to Santa and her presents. Whoops, looks like Ashley's finally met her match. Ash, that's playing dirty. Well, guess it worked. Poor Santa. I wonder what kind of trickery he's gonna resort to get rid of this overeager good girl. Hey, Santa. You look pretty tired. Listen, I get it. Riding on a sled through the sky is one thing, but climbing through endless chimneys all night is exhausting. Especially when you're not actually Santa. Pretending to be someone else is pretty exhausting. Huh, Ben? You're doing the right thing, though. Self-care comes first. Just careful you don't fall asleep and spoil the fun for all those good boys and girls. Santa? For real? I'm so happy you're here! You are the real Santa, right?
Doubting me, Kira? Of course I'm real. Real, just like your Christmas present.
Wow! I guess you really do exist.
Ho, ho, ho!
Geez, I gotta go get me a Red Bull.
It's blooper time! Hit that subscribe button, give Santa a thumbs up for his efforts. And remember, just take it easy and own your less than stellar holiday moments. See you soon!